Okay, welcome back, and I'm going to show you another component we're going to disassemble today. This time around I'm going to disassemble this power unit right here. This is the one that supplies power to all the components of the system unit just after the socket. So let me show you how to go about this. We have these very many cables right here connected to each part of this system unit. Others connected to this one is the hard drive. This is the power of the hard drive. This one is for the combo drive. And if you look at well, there is one for the floppy drive. And there is another big one going to the motherboard right here. You can see it well, and then there is another one right here. So we first start by unplugging where the cables have been plugged. Let's start with this one. That one is for the hard drive, and then come to this one. This one's for the combo drive that way, and then we have one here for the floppy drive, and there is another one down here for the motherboard, the main one, and we have another little one down here, so we can plug it like that. So all our cables are free. All our cables from the power units are free. Now we can unscrew this power unit from the system units. So it has 4 screws, as you can see, opening each one of them. You can be careful while moving the screws because it is a very heavy one. Right there. Now, this one right there. Now we have our whole system unit right here. Now I'm going to show you how to get this back. It's very easy. Just as we unplugged it, you just carefully return it to the place where it came from. Just that way. I first want to start by screwing it to its place so that it doesn't move.
If you open the system units, you can see different colors.
You can align the screw holes as they are supposed to be.
This is the hard disk.
That way.
This is the fan. And this is the memory. Now, once you locate your hard disk, you can see it is being made by 2 screws. And you will remove and unscrew them. Once you unscrew the screws, you slide out the hard disk. This is the hard disk, you can see.
Having done that, now let's get back our cables to the units. First, let's start with this one, this big one. You just plug it back as easy as that way. And then we have this one is for the hard drive. Let's plug it back that way. And then you have this one for the floppy drive. Let's plug it back that way. And then you have this one for the combo drive. You plug it back that way. And then this last one, you also plug it back. Thank you for watching. That is how you plug in the power supply for the system units.